Selecting the right size fan for your room is very important. If your fan is too big for your room, it could create a lot of noise and wobble problems for you. But if your fan is too small, then you're not going to move enough air and you're not going to get the full effect of your fan. You might be wondering how to select the right size fan for your room. In a small room, approximately 64 square feet or roughly 8 by 8, you're going to need one of our small room fans. This is roughly a 44 to 46 inch fan. If you're in a larger room, such as a 100 square foot room, which is roughly a 10 by 10 room, typically the size of a large bedroom or family room, you're going to need one of our large room fans, such as a 52 or 54 inch fan. And some of you have those large great rooms. Those could be 144 or more square feet. This roughly equates to a 12 by 12 room. In this case, you might need our 60 inch or even 72 inch fans to get proper airflow. Now, in addition to the size of your room, you also need to consider the layout. If you have some narrower features, that could create a problem with a larger size fan. Make sure that you keep 3 feet between the edges of the blades and all foreign objects.